Inna with Innichka Chef, and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode I'm so excited to share you this healthy omelette which I promised for a while. Every year we start with New Year resolution. Everyone tries to watch what they eat, and in our house I'm always watching what we eat, and every day I try to make every meal healthier. So this simple omelette actually has lots of good stuff in. First of all, it's about herbs, greens. Look how much beautiful scallions and parsley. I'm using Italian parsley and scallions. You use whichever herbs you can find. Any will work, any combination. Just make sure you have plenty. Eggs, of course. What kind of omelette is on eggs, and from good source of egg, from farmer's market if you can find. If not, any eggs will work. Another ingredient, kind of unusual for omelette, it's walnuts. I love walnuts, I love nuts, and this, I know it's very unexpected ingredients for the baked omelette, but many countries actually use these ingredients, and I will mention in my blog, and make sure in description below check my full recipe and also blog on this recipe where I got this idea and how much we love in my family this omelette, and I hope you will enjoy as well. Another key ingredient is ghee. Key ingredients is ghee. It's clarified butter, but not exactly. It's a little further when they cook longer, and it's nice and nutty flavor. It's even better than clarified butter, but whichever you can find, use it. It's good, and why it's good, please check my blog. And I think we're ready to go. To the egg yolks, it's a lot of eggs, 8. I like to add a pinch of salt, actually quite a bit. 2 or 3 pinches, it's a lot of egg. And a little bit of white pepper. I like to use white pepper in the dish, this dish, but if you don't have white, don't stress out, use black. And give it a whisk. Mix together the herbs and egg yolks, and make sure everything covered nice and evenly. And our egg whites is to the peak. We whip to the peak so it's nice and fluffy, really fluffy. And the last components we have to work on is walnuts. So what I like to do is just use Ziploc bag and nice. So now what I want to do, marry those 2 components together, and gently. We won't fold. We don't want to lose any foam. We want to keep nice and airy. And we fold in gently, just kind of when you make a mousse, gently. It's not everyday omelette, it's a special omelette. The omelette we like to have even for dinner. And for the baking dish, I like to keep in the freezer until the moment we're going to bake, so it's nice and frozen, cold. And I like generously smear this ghee. And ghee is always room temperature and should sell, if you not make yourself, in a grocery, where the room temperature, where the oil, not in a refrigerator, because ghee has good shelf life. And generously add some nuts. Look at this. And now it's ready for oven, 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. Look how gorgeous this omelette is. Not everyday omelette, but for special occasion I hardly recommend to make for your loved one. For breakfast or brunch or special occasion. Let's dig in. And I like to serve with yogurt. I have homemade yogurt. Look how beautiful. Gorgeous. And for people who are on keto diet, that will be wonderful. It has a lot of fat, good fat, herbs, and eggs. What can I say? It's delicious. It's beautiful. It's delicious, and the cold, hot omelette with cold, creamy, full-fat yogurt, it just melt together and marry together. It's beautiful, delicious, and healthy. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you will make this soon and start this year healthy and right. Give me a like and subscribe. Bye, see you next time.